welcome to my humble homestead and garden side chat. So I know you are waiting to see and hear the results of my turkey soup. I am finishing that video. I have a couple more things that I'm making for that DIY gift set. So I will be finishing that video and posting it next. I really will. I am waiting for my organic flour to be delivered because I'm doing my kids have Santa coming to their town, and I'm gonna bake some things for their bake sale, and I'm gonna do those chocolate bombs and things like that. So I'm gonna put that in the video. And I started that video and I already talked about what happened to my candy jars. So that's coming, I promise, and I will show you the results of my turkey soup in that video. But today I got some Happy Mail, and I am going to go through that right now, so I thought I'd show that with you. My friend Mary with an I, who works on our team at work, she has her store, Cupcakes and Stickies. She does planning, and she also has a YouTube channel, Cupcakes and Stickies, where she does a lot of planning and cash stuffing and things like that, which are things that I'm starting so I can save now that I paid off my credit cards, and now that I'm starting to get out of debt, and then I want to start saving for some things in the future. So I'll be doing a couple things I'm learning from her, but she sent me some Happy Mail and I'm so excited. So I want to open that with you and go through that. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me bring you down here so we can just kind of go through this Happy Mail together. So I just opened the box, but oh my gosh, she always has the cutest wrapping and stuff. So this, and oh my, she did not send me an actual she did. Stop it, Mary. I told her I wanted to start. Oh my gosh, this is so, I can't believe she actually sent me a planner. So just to tell you, I'm right here. I'll just talk with my hands, but I did not expect this, Mary. Oh my gosh. I feel so, she is the sweetest, you guys. She is Mary. So I printed off some just pages, like free pages from Day Planner that I was just going to decorate up, because she's like, oh, Trina, just start journaling. So I'm like, okay, I will. So I thought she was just going to send me some like stickers. But oh my gosh, let me look at this. This is so cute. So I'm just going to have to weekly, I don't have my glasses on. Weekly vertical inserts. So, this has little oh my god, I cannot believe. So she goes to all these conventions, and I know oh my gosh, and these little cute little things. So I am gonna go through all of these and open them and look at them when I have more time. I have to work soon, but I wanted to at least open the Happy Mail. So I will open these more in depth and get them a little organized. I'm assuming this is for 2023, but I'm going to go through what else is in the box here right now. And then I'm going to start planning. I'm super excited, you guys. It's beautiful. This is leather. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm going to put it back in the case for now. I am going to go through this more, and then I will start planning with you. You guys can do plan with me's, because I'm super excited about as part of being organized and that kind of stuff. So let's see what else is in here. So these, I should really get my glasses. I'm gonna get my glasses so I can read these better. Okay, so this is from her store, Cupcakes and Stickies. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, sunflower. She loves sunflowers. I love sunflowers. I'm gonna plant even more. So pretty. So these are actual stickers, you guys. And then, oh look, a little notebook, like a little to-do thing, grocery lists and stuff like that. That's cute. So plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. Let's see what this is. Calendar and contact. Oh cute, this is it just has little dates, and you can like jot down, keep track of dates that you celebrate. So like birthdays, anniversaries, things like that, which is good because I've been trying. Oh, stop it. She actually sent me some nice markers. I bought some markers at Walmart and they are not cheap, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, who thought I would be so excited about doing all this planning? And she makes hers look so cute. And scrapbooking tape. That's nice. Oh my gosh, and all of these, so she uses all of these in hers. These are so cute, Mary. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at this little tiny spoon. This is so cute. It's a Hobonichi Teko, because she uses the Hobonichi planners. It's in Japanese, so I have to figure out what this is for. I'm sure Mary will tell me. Oh my gosh, the little heart ones. These go like along the edges of your planners. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? This little... Mary, you're gonna have to show me how to use all this stuff. I'll just keep watching your channel. This little clip. I can't believe all this stuff. Oh, and here's another little bow. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here, you guys. I feel like it's Christmas time. Look at all of these. This is an entire, from Tomboy, this is an entire pack. Oh my gosh, it's got a glue pen. Oh my gosh, it says, I am brave. Wow, Mary, I am blown away. This is incredible. I am so excited, you guys. Here's a November transparents and an October bundle. These are like just different stickers and stuff you can use. Oh my gosh, what is this now? I cannot believe how much stuff is in here. A take note, so like just like a note binder. So like for journaling, you can journal and oh my gosh, look at this is from her Cupcakes and Stickies. Look at how cute she is. Now she designs all these. This is Loretta. So her daughter's name was Loretta and her Cupcakes and Stickies little people are little Lorettas. You guys really have to check out her store because she designs and sells all these. Dream Plan Hustle. Oh my gosh, I love this one. That is, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of there. So cute. And she's got Christmas cookie one. That is so adorable, Mary. Oh my gosh, look at all these stickers. I cannot wait to start doing this. I cannot believe all of these that are in here. I feel like I'm going to have my whole year planned. This is awesome. Happy Daya. And it's so fun because now I can, like, she shows all these on her YouTube channel, and now I feel like, oh yes, I got that. I'm going to do it now too. I mean, I literally am a kid in a candy store right now. Oh, and appointments, don't forget. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so good. And then months, little paydays, days off. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are so cute. Little coffee time. Workout, which I'm going to start doing. So I just ordered, it's so funny. So I know my kids are like, I ordered a Wii that has like the sports pack, that has the tennis and the Dance Dance Revolutions and stuff, just to do something in the winter. And then I thought when my grandkids are, you know, they're going to be 3 and a baby. And so I thought it'd be, and they comes with like 15 family oriented games. So I'm going to start doing that in the winter just because I love to do the tennis and the stuff like that. And I thought, well, it's movement. So it'll be something to do in the winter because I live almost an hour away from the closest gym. So I was trying to find things that I could do here. Mary, there's one more thing in here. I feel so blessed. I cannot wait to get to work today and just tell you that I got this. And this is just another little journal. Has like weekly tasks. Wow. I can't believe how much stuff is in here. Mary, thank you so much. It is going to be so fun to start using this stuff. I am going to look through it even in more detail when I have a little more time and start organizing and setting up my planners. So that will be coming up in a future video. And how fun will that be? So if you guys want to start getting organized as well and start planning, you can wait for those in upcoming videos. And like Mary told me, you can just start in journals and just start in notebooks. But she has totally blessed me with all of this stuff to use. I'm super excited about it. Thanks you guys so much for watching my Happy Mail. And we will see you soon. Oh, there's my alarm for my work. I have to go to work now. So have a great day, you guys. Be blessed. Bye.